Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I so hope that you took a moment to read Ellen Hilderbrand's Winter in Paradise. This is book 8 of our Creative Book Club series, and I know I said I cheated and I read the book before I did the journal, and I'm so sorry, but I hope that you journaled and then read the book. And that you're tuning back in here with me to get a craft idea to do with your friends and your book club at home. So this one is a bit expensive just because colored sand is not that what am I trying to look for? It's not available in nature, at least not in these bright colors. So I did purchase this box of colored sand at Hobby Lobby. It was fairly inexpensive. It comes with about, I think it said 10 colors. I'm only going to use 3 here. And then I also bought the glass container at Hobby Lobby. You can get any glass container at like a thrift store or like a Salvation Army or someplace. They're fairly inexpensive. Dollar store, I bet you would have some just inexpensive glass containers. I'm going to put succulent plants in there. What I like to do is start out with the same pot that succulent plants are planted in, and then I'm going to build the sand around it. And you can get fancy, do like a sunset, you can do little birds flying. I'm just going to crisscross colors because I thought it would be more exciting than trying to figure out the sunset here. I just kind of like the hippy dippy kind of look to it, just mixing colors. But it's all personal preference and what you want to do. So the little succulent plants, you can actually order from Etsy. There's some succulent plant farms, and they'll ship to you individually, and then you just have to purchase some pots. Or you can just get something from outside, with your friends and plant it in a pot too and just watch it grow. It doesn't have to be an expensive craft, but it could be if you want. I did spend a little bit of money to do this to show everyone, but I'm going to also use it as a craft for my book club here at home, probably for the next book that we read, which is yet to be determined. But once I have the sand kind of where I like it, just kind of crisscrossing the colors there, I'm going to drop the pot right in. You don't want to take the other pot out because then all of your sand will collapse and you got to kind of dig out a new hole for the plant itself. And then I'm going to take some reindeer moss and just kind of hide that container so that that's not the first thing you see. You can also go ahead and pour some more sand and just completely cover the containers themselves. For these succulent plants, you want to give it about a tablespoon of water every week or so. They don't necessarily want to be completely bogged down with a bunch of water, but just giving a little bit of water, tablespoon or so once a week should do just fine. And then put it right on your windowsill where it can get some bright light because they love the sunshine. And then and then you're all set. Thank you so much for tuning in.